guys, today we will create a portrait of this lovely lady. Various art mediums such as pencil, crayons, markers. You can use regular markers or Sharpies if you want. You can also use pastels, you can use pencils, so it's up to you, even the chalk and oil pastels. I will show you very briefly how to do it, and then you will continue on your own. You will need a white drawing paper, you need an image, and you need masking tape plus a pair of scissors. I would suggest ruler. You don't need to, but it will be of help, and those various art mediums. As you can see here, I have an image, and this image is attached to the paper using masking tape. We have our white masking tape, and notice that the image is cut into the pieces, and those pieces are going through the important features of the face, so that it's easier to recreate it. So see what will happen now. I will attach our image to the paper, and I use a larger piece of masking tape, of course. Actually, I will attach it to the table. I will use scissors and right away cut through the features. Now, if you want to, you can use the ruler and draw first the lines and then cut through following the lines. I will without it. So I want to go through the eye, because eye is very important for me. When I will go with the cuts around the eye, it will be very hard for me to recreate it. Here, I have the lines to follow, and you will see very soon what I mean. So I have a one cut. If I want to, I can have another one. Let's see, maybe here. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I want to cut through her nose, and I will use the nostril. So voila. Then I want to cut through her eyelid, and I want to go very close, or at least very close to the iris. Then I want to see her face. Let's see, definitely here. And then the rest, it doesn't matter, because they are the hair. Maybe you can cut one more time, but I don't know if I want to even. I will just leave it the way it is. So scissors are going on the side, and now I'm taking the first piece, and I'm placing it for myself on the side. So I will actually tear it even like this and place it for myself here, that I can see it better. Maybe even there. Oh no, I will be okay here. Now I will use for the first one pencils, so I can continue here half and half. I would say not even 1, 2, almost slightly on the line, so that will help to guide me. Then we can move to the other part. So one is done with the pencil. Now let's get this part now. If we want to, we can also place this part here, just that we can continue. Or we can go with eye. And I want to this time use pencil crayons. And I have to now continue. And what I need to have this part here now. Okay. So what's what I need to do? Well, I need to continue with my eye. So my eye has to come not very far, approximately here. It's slightly under the angle. Is it under the angle? Yes, it is. So her eyebrow is going down almost. Wow, 2 sections done. So now it's time for us to move to the other sections, which will be this one. So I place this one here. I have this one there. So we have her face. We have already 2 parts. Wow! And now it's time for us to work. You know what? I want to use a marker. So you can use marker, you can use pencil, whatever you prefer for this part. Let's see. I have my eye here. I want to use a stippling technique, but I want to make sure that I'm getting it right. So with stippling, you have to be a little bit careful, because you can't repeat. Well, you make boo-boo, you make boo-boo. You have to incorporate the boo-boo then into your drawing. Good. Then we take another part, and this will be this one. We just want to mark where's the end of the image. I would emphasize it here. And then what you want to do, we have already 3 parts, just the hair, and I will use pencil for it. Just do it very fast. That, and now we are moving to this one. So where is the part that we already done? This is this part here. Okay. So we place it here, and then we will continue with this one. Okay. We will use pencil, crayon, and then just a little bit of the eye halfway through. We can't forget. That's right. So her face is coming here. Okay. Her eyebrow. Her eyebrow also has to follow the position here, going on almost halfway. And then what we want to have, let's see, this is just the last part that is waiting for us. But as you can see, this is our, just don't make dark at this section. This is our drawing, and you have the sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just the last one. So when you want to, you can take it like this, and you can bring some of those hair and extend them and have them in the portrait. You can have the whole portrait done by using different drawing techniques and having lots of fun. So I hope that you enjoyed working with me, and now you are ready to work on your own. You can emphasize certain parts. You can always come back and just put those last touches here and there, whatever you want to do to it. But the most important is that the portrait done this way will always work for you, always. So have a good day and work on it and have lots of fun. Bye.